In this video, we're going to show you how to replace your map sensor located on the back side of your intake manifold. Locate the map sensor on the back side of your intake manifold. There's a harness right here that you can normally press down on the spring clip on the back side. Press it down, wiggle that off, grab the map sensor. You want to go ahead and turn that counterclockwise. Go ahead and pull that up and out, and there you have it. Take your map sensor, locate the port on the back. You want to press it down, pop it, and rotate it, and you can install that harness. Press it in, and you hear it click. You're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.